Now that we're done with our clipper over comb method, we can move on to his hairline. I always line up my C-cup starting at the bottom and working my way to the top arch. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Moving on to the circus razor, we're using our Derby's premium blades to make them as crispy as possible. What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing an 8-minute haircut tutorial, so stay tuned. Before we line him up, we want to make sure we prep the hairline by combing all the flyaway hairs down and then debulking them with the one guard all the way open. I always start my lineups in the middle and work my way to the sides. He does have a light spot in the middle, so I make sure I camouflage that. Remember to take your time and make sure the hair feeds into the trimmer. Moving on to the right side, we're going to continue to line him up and make him as crispy as possible. You want to make sure you go slow and make sure the hair feeds into the trimmer. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Also, leave a comment down below if you made it this far into the video. I'm definitely gonna reply to it. Now that we're done lining them up, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. Always make sure to pull the skim with your opposite hand and keep the blade at a 45-degree angle so you don't cut them.